Hey guys, it's me samstill. Today, we're checking out the Godox C30R, a compact RGB LED panel with 30 watts of power, full RGB colors, and super accurate lighting. I'll show you an unboxing and the real output, my color test, and of course, if it's worth buying in 2025. Inside the box, we get the Godox C30R panel, a small diffuser, and a USB-C cable. And this thing feels solid. Godox really knows how to make good compact gear. Look at this, it's a 5.3 by 3.1 inches. Super light, super compact. Perfect for desk setup, product photography, portrait lighting, or even vlogging. On the other side, we have the dial, the mode switch, the menu button, and the USB-C port. At the bottom, you get the 1/4-inch mount so you can put it on the tripods or clamps. Okay, let's test the fun part. From one candle light at 1800 Kelvin to super cold 10,000 Kelvin. This thing can match any environment. From the RGB mode HSI, this is where it gets crazy. Every color you want, blue, red, purple, green, smooth and clean. For the FX mode, lightning, police car, TV flicker, fire, perfect for cinematic vibes, YouTube heroes, or even short films. For a small panel like this, 30 watts is strong. This is may face it only by the C30R at 100% brightness, and this is with the diffuser. It feels look soft and clean. You know I love clean colors, and this one is accurate. No green tint, no weird magenta shift, just natural skin tones. The internal battery lasts around 45 minutes at full power. But the best part, you can plug into USB-C and use it non-stop for long shoots. Here's a quick portrait test. Look at the glow. It looks expensive but it's budget friendly. Is the Godox C30 worth it? For me, yes. It's compact, powerful, accurate, RGB, and super easy to use. Perfect for creators, vloggers, photographers, or anyone who wants small but powerful LED panel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. More cinematic gear reviews coming soon.